Here we are, we're at the park. And it snowed last night. Jackson, I think, is a little bit done. His hands are a little wet. So I think he's a little bit done playing in the snow. So we're walking back to our car right now. But you can see, got very, very snowy here. Jackson, can you say snow? Very good. He really likes to play on the playground, but that playground's very icy. Look, they're going to make a snowman. All right. You want to get on the car? All right, that's it for now, I guess.